Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for some of you that... Do you hear that? Can you hear that? Somebody's crying outside. Where is that crying coming from? Maybe it's on the other side. Let me check.
Why did Dane leave me?
Oh, Crissy. It sounds like her childhood sweetheart just broke up with her. Oh, okay. I hate it when I see dogs so sad in my neighborhood. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. These things happen here. I can't do anything about it. Well, today's episode is the hopeless German Shepherd. Quack, 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 wow.
Why did Dane leave me?
I've always been waiting for my soulmate, Sneak.
Does he even know that we all can clearly hear him from here?
I am so bad luck in love.
Oh, you know why? Because you're needy.
Later, my friend. Ciao.
Oh, okay. He went downstairs.
Who is that?
Oh, no, no, no! Don't you dare hit on her, Peppie! Peppie!
What's going on with her?
Why did Dane leave me?
She just broke up with someone. Hi, I'm Peppie. Are you okay?
Hi, Peppie. I'm Crissy. I just need to vent my frustrations here in the garden.
Can I take you out to dinner tonight? I know a good sushi place. I think you're my soulmate.
Get off of me! I don't know you!
Please, can I take you out?
No!
Leave her alone, Peppie! Leave her alone!
Grrr! What's Peppie doing with my girl?
Dane? You two know each other?
We work together and I'm about to kick his butt.
Yes! Oh, I want to watch this! We're gonna have a boxing match here today, yes!
Oh, yeah?
Yeah! Brush!
You gonna beat me up?
No, you are too big.
Oh, darn it! Oh!
I'll leave.
Don't ever mess with me.
Oh, look. I just brought them back together. Great.
Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Love sucks.
You're bad!
I love you, babe.
Babe, my butt. I hate this.
Hey, why is he going through the back door? Ay, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up.
How's it going, my friend?
What are you up to?
As usual, hopeless in love.
Oh, Peppie, I told you. You cannot force these things. It must come naturally.
I know. You've been telling me that since I was a puppy.
Just focus on yourself so you're naturally attractive to all the women out there.
I've been trying.
Stop spreading that needy vibe. It's not attractive at all. Well, how about we show them how to sculpt a German Shepherd? Are you up for that?
Yeah!
Okay, let's do this. Prepare the supplies. Polymer clay, black, brown, and gold. Any tool with a rounded tip,
toothpicks, and brush and baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books, and the German Shepherd tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake Book 2.
Wow, Peppie, so much fun to create. What do you think about a German Shepherd sculpture dog? It's easy, right? If you see a German Shepherd in real life, that's how they look like. It looks like they're slouching on the back, especially the hips. The ears are erect. The areas on the neck that are spread out, that is easy to achieve by pinching and spreading the clay towards the side with your thumb. Don't forget to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create. Yes, 60 dog breeds to sculpt. Please remember to click that subscribe button below and click that bell on the right side so it will notify you when my next video is gonna come out. Visit the Doggo Bake website www.doggobake.com to check out other products. If you want to purchase these books by bundle to save you some money, help me spread the word with your family and friends, and see you again next Friday for another dog.